You want a Ferrari?
Yeah.
Okay. Mommy said you must go to school, Ange. You're gonna go to school, and when you are done with school, you must start trading Forex, ne? I said you must start trading what?
Forex.
Thank you, my boy. If you want this car again, but if you want that one, you see that one there by the corner, you see that one? If you want that one, my boy, you must be a teacher, a nurse or something, ne?
That is very, very deep. Let's talk about it. What if I told you that your degree won't get you a Ferrari? Well, DJ Coach is telling his son to forget about teaching, law and nursing and jump straight into Forex trading. But is he right? Is Forex really the future? Or is this just hype? Stick around because we are breaking down DJ Coach's viral statement, what it means for you and whether Forex trading is truly the key to financial freedom.
When you are done with school, you must start trading Forex, ne? I said you must start trading what?
Forex.
Thank you, my boy. If you want this car again, but if you want that one, you see that one there by the corner, you see that one? If you want that one, my boy, you must be a teacher, a nurse or something, ne?
So, what exactly is DJ Coach saying? This message is simple. Traditional careers like teaching, law and nursing won't make you rich. Instead, Forex trading offers a better shot at financial freedom. Let's compare. A teacher in most countries earns a fixed salary, often struggling with inflation. A lawyer spends many years in school, only to compete for limited high-paying jobs. A nurse works long hours under pressure but still may struggle financially. Meanwhile, Forex traders like DJ Coach claim to make thousands in minutes. But is it really that simple? Let's be real. Forex is not a guaranteed ticket to wealth. It's a skill that requires learning, discipline and risk management. But it does offer something traditional jobs don't. Some of the things that Forex trading offers are: number 1, unlimited income potential. You are not limited by a paycheck. Number 2, no boss, no 9 to 5 stress. You trade on your own terms. Number 3, global access. You can trade from anywhere in the world. However, Forex trading also comes with a downside, and here they are. Number 1, many traders lose money before they become profitable. Number 2, no guaranteed income. Unlike a teacher or a lawyer, you don't get paid if you don't trade well. Number 3, many beginner traders ignore the fact that Forex trading requires learning. You can't just jump in and expect to win without a working strategy. Now, if you are thinking, okay, I want to trade Forex, but how do I start? Here is what you need to do. Number 1, learn the basics. Understanding pips, leverage, risk management and market analysis is important before you start trading. To make your journey easier, I have included a link in the description of this video to a Forex trading room where you can learn directly from experienced Forex traders and sharpen your trading skills. Number 2, choose a reliable Forex broker. Not all Forex brokers are trustworthy. Scams are everywhere, and you always need to remember that. Number 3, practice with a demo account. Before risking real money, test your trading skills in a demo account. A demo account allows you to experience real market conditions without any financial risks. Number 4, start small. You don't need thousands to trade. Start with what you can afford to lose. Even the best traders began with small accounts before growing over time. Number 5, follow successful Forex traders. Don't try to reinvent your own ideas which makes you believe the Forex market can make you wealthy as soon as possible. Study those who have already succeeded in Forex trading. To help you with this, You can find valuable information on successful forex traders on Opwell Forex TV. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss insights, trading strategies, and interviews from the best traders in the forex market. Remember, DJ Coach didn't wake up rich. He studied, practiced, and mastered forex trading strategies over time. So, is DJ Coach right? Should you skip school and start trading forex instead? The truth is, forex trading is not for everyone. It's a high-risk, high-reward game that requires patience and a proven trading strategy. But if you are serious about financial freedom through forex, start learning today. Whether you are a student, a 9-to-5 worker, or someone looking for an extra income stream, forex can be a game changer if done right. Now I would like to hear from you people. Do you think forex trading is the future? Or should people still pursue traditional careers? Drop a comment below. And if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more forex trading motivation, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. Trade smart and stay winning.